So this is what I had to do to open the Arturia keyboard KeyLab 88 Mark II. I was having some issues with the keys on this side. When I was using them and I released them, when they were coming up, they were making a sound like they were hitting the bottom metal. So they were making a noise like pretty strong, like they were hitting it. So what I did is I took the screws, all the screws on the back, except for the ones that hold this board circuit. So those are still in there, but I took all the ones in the back and the ones that are close to the sides from the bottom, and I think there is one on the front as well, and that way you can kind of see how you can open it from the back. So the problem that I was having, there is on a sponge, and let me see if I can show it to you. There's on the sponge just below the keys where they rest, and so mine on the very edge, it was loose. There is some glue in there. I don't know how it came off, but it was just a little bit off, and these keys on the very end, they were hitting directly into the metal bottom. So they were making a noise kind of like that whenever they were resting. They were resting directly into the metal bottom. So this is how you open it. Again, just screws on the back, the one on the sides, open it from the back, and check that sponge that I show you.